Thank you for choosing RPNB Safe. In this video, we will guide you how to program RPNB Touchscreen Fireproof Safe. Let's get started. Before we begin, mount 3 spokes to the handle hub. Please press the tab left to remove the lock cover and connect a 9-volt alkaline battery correctly before we start setting the safe. Wake up the touch panel. Use default code 1234 to open the safe. Master code programming. Now, let's set your own personal code. Press the red program button once. Enter the new passcode in 10 seconds. Wake up the touch panel. Silence mode setting. Wake up the touch panel. Hold the number 1 for 3 seconds until the indicator light flashes blue. Now we are in the silence mode. Vibration alarm setting. Let's follow the steps to set the vibration alarm to improve the safety of the safe. Violent vibration will trigger the warning alarm system immediately. For more setup tips, please refer to the instruction manual. Welcome to a safer world.